hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really cool video for you all. I'm doing a collab with Mollydoesmakeup. The link will be down below. And I haven't told you what video it is. We're doing a makeup style swap. So if you have watched the video of Nikki Tutorials with James Charles, that is kind of what they did, but obviously we're not together like with each other. So we sent each other a picture of what makeup look we wanted to recreate, and she sent me a lovely pictures of, hang on, I've got them on my iPad because obviously I film on my phone, so I can't really. Also, like, ignore my top, it's quite cute, but she's absolutely gorgeous. And these are the pictures, so of this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that's a close-up of the that I'm gonna be doing. Yeah. And her Instagram is Mollydoesmakeup YouTube, like YT. Yeah, I'm really excited to do this. Also, ignore my skin, I know how bad it is, but first of all, obviously, we're going to do the first thing. Okay, no, quite cute. So first of all, it's a fly. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. Oh, I love this primer, it feels so tacky. I use this in my first impressions, so why am I talking like this? Okay, so you all know how crap I am at doing my brow. We're going to be doing them off camera, so I'll see you in a bit. And I've done my eyebrows now, and I put some tape on my eyes. So, in the picture, it's a pink makeup, so my palettes I've got with me. The Beauty Rose Gold palette because there's a couple pinks in here. Are we filming? Yeah, sorry. And then the Morphe palette because there's like a lot of pinks in here as well. So basically she has like what I've looked at is like it goes lighter and then a bit darker underneath it. So we're going to start off with the pink in the Morphe palette, the Morphe 35B, and I'm going to use on my brush this one, the Spectrum A B06, and dip that in, and let's just get blending. Also ignore my brows, I'm really not having a good brow day. I'm gonna hold my mirror here. Oh no, there's purple on my brush. You've got to be joking me. I think that is blended enough. I'm loving the pink. I do love a good pink eye. Pink goes with blue. So I've done that on both eyes. It looks like a big pink splodge at the moment, but it will look better. So also, I don't know if you can tell or not, but in the picture she has like a bit of a darker bit just on the outer bits, like coming in a bit. So I'm going to be taking a palette here and using the shade Flamingo, the pink one. And these really need mirrors. Oh, my Desert Dusk one has. That's not dark enough, we need a dark one. So I'm going to pick in my Morphe 35B and taking that hot pink one there. Yeah, they look a bit different to the picture, but you know what? It's not going to look the exact same because I obviously haven't got the exact same palette as her. Okay, so now we're going to be taking the tape off, and you have what I call a perfect line. Okay, right, maybe that isn't the most perfect line ever. And now we're going to be cutting the crease. And I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match Concealer with the Spectrum A16 brush. Hang on, I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. I'm not very good at cutting my crease, so this is a bit of a challenge for me. How does it not transfer? Someone's looking at me. Okay, and she goes out a bit with it. Wow, I'm loving it. Okay, and we've done that. I'm gonna do that on the other eye. Okay, so let me just get the picture up. She has like, where the crease is cut, on above it she has a silver glitter liner, and it's so lucky. Sky, I'm going to do a whole video about her. She's my sister's best friend and one of my friends, and she has a really good YouTube channel. She bought me the tiny bit advent calendar. I'm going to be doing a video on it. But luckily I had a silver liner in it, because I didn't have a silver liner. I have like all different bright coloured liners, but I didn't. Anyway, yeah. But I think I'm going to do the black. Do I do the black liner first? I don't know. No, I'm going to do the black liner first. And her wing she's done is very short. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Supercat skinny liner. So the wing really does not look like her wing, but you know what? Everyone's wings are gonna look different, aren't they? So my eyeliner is actually really different on each side, but you know what? Who cares? So now we're doing glitter liner. So like I said, I have the tiny burr one in the shade, and I'm putting it just above where my crease is cut, where my shuts up. But I'm also going to be taking a brush to do it because I want to. And dip it in, because this spatula, is it called a spatula? I don't even know this. Applicator, that's the right word. It's too thick. Hang on, I'm just going to have to use this and hope for the best. Okay, I'm actually quite scared. This is not going to turn out well. No! Ah! Yeah, this is quite a sheer glitter liner, and it's very watery. So keep in mind, like, look, it's spread all over. Yeah, I do need to get like an actual glitter liner, because this is very watery. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's quite good. Like, look, I've completely ruined it. It's going alright as well. This really is gone crap. Now I've smudged my freaking eyeliner! Hang on, I think we can do something about this, but bear with. So, I've got a different idea. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue, like glitter primer, with the Tanya Burr little loose glitter thingy. Also from the Sky advent calendar. Hopefully this will work a bit better. Let me just get the little lid off. Okay, this hopefully will work better. I think it will. But I need to put this on first. So let's put it on the back of my hand. And we'll use... They're always on the run, but they never... My neighbour is staring at me. Okay, and now we're going to attempt to put this on. Oh my god, this really isn't going well. I need some more concealer. My room is on. It's honestly in such a mess, it's unreal. You don't even know how messy my room is. You don't even know. What? Oh, shut up. Piss off.
I just want to show you something. I look like a girl paedophile, look.
No, you don't.
No.
Oh my god, say hello to my channel.
Hello, channel. I look like a girl paedophile.
No. Well, I can't really keep that in my video, can I?
Why?
Look how shit this looks.
Are you trying to recreate?
I just feel it's quite cute, don't it?
Are you leaving this in your vlog?
It's not a vlog.
Ugh, whatever.
So I keep screaming. So what advice do you give y'all?
Well, my advice is to put more foundation on.
No, like life advice.
Always
Look on the bright.
stay out of school and do drugs.
Yeah, don't actually listen to her.
That's what I did, and I didn't get very far. So I had to go back to school.
Well, considering you're 10, Alice. How do you feel about being 10?
I feel
good. No, you're not. You got 3 months. What? How do you think you'll feel different being 11?
No. I can't wait to leave my. Can I curl my eyelashes?
No, look how pretty this looks.
Oh yeah.
How do you think it
Does
looks?
it look exactly the same as hers?
No, because we're not obviously using it. So. Ow! It's gone in my eye again.
Are you gonna watch a video of yours doing yours?
Obviously.
Oh yeah, obviously. So they're doing a collab.
Okay, so I finished the eye makeup. Honestly, I like it, but the glitter liner, well, aka glitter thing, aka glitter, I don't even know, is crap. Like, it isn't very good because I didn't have a proper glitter liner. So that's one thing I'm gonna do when I go shopping tomorrow. I'm gonna buy every shade of a glitter liner. I quite like it, you know, actually. Okay, so now we've done that, I need to do all my makeup, my face makeup, and I'm going to be using, I've wet my beauty blender, so that's always good, isn't it, bruvs? Do you know what, I just need to shut up. This video is so long, I don't even care. I've got to get ready and it's so fast. Where's my beauty blender? Sick. I don't want just anyone to hold. Oh, by the way, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, but I'm going to be doing it like off camera. Hang on, let me just find my beauty blender.
What the hell is this beauty blender? Give me a cracker, because I'm going to crack you up. Sure.
Okay, so I've actually finished most of my makeup now. So the lip colour she was wearing, I think is quite similar to mine. So I use the L'Oreal, the Colour Riche Matte 103 Blush in a Rush. I absolutely love this colour. I hate the smell. It smells like what are those things called? Parma Violets, I think. But yeah, this is the Kylie Jenner highlighter. Look. Can we take a couple of minutes to appreciate this look? I am actually so in love. Right, so the lashes she used are really natural, and I don't have any natural lashes. So I'm just gonna be using mascara. Yeah, the lashes were like really natural. So hang on, I'll be right back. The top lashes I'm going to be using, my Urban Decay Perversion. So let's put this bad boy on my lashes. And that is the lovely mascara. So this is the finished look. I'm so in love, honestly. I feel like I'm just I make a lot more, so thank you for inspiring me. Mollydoesmakeup. I'm not leaving that in, that's really weird. Yeah, so this is the eye compared to mine. The glitter liner, hers is a lot more pigmented than mine. But I think other than that, it looks quite similar. Also, my liner's a bit more thick. But also the lip colour, I'm not even going to lie, the lip colour is really similar. Look. That's pretty similar. I need to put some Mario. I love the taste of that. It's so good. I love it. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to subscribe to Mollydoesmakeup. Links will be down below to her YouTube and maybe her Instagram if I figure out how I can link it. Anyway, I love you so much, and if you have a channel and you want to collab with me, I love doing collabs, so comment down below. This is my first collab though, but it was really fun and I can't wait to watch her video on it as well. And she's so gorgeous. Make sure to subscribe. I love her videos. Stop clapping. Yeah, I love you so much. Bye.